Hello, Ankit. I welcome you as our esteemed speaker for AI Test Fest on behalf of Agile Testing Alliance and all uh, organizing committee of AI Test Fest. Thank you so much for being our esteemed speaker. So, without any delay, could you please introduce yourself a little bit so that we can keep this talk going?
Yes, sure, Ben. So, thank you for this warm introduction. And hi, everyone. My name is Ankit Singh. It's been close to 10 years in the IT industry. And I actually started my journey with manual testing, moved into automation, and then into security. So, I am currently working with Autodesk as a principal risk analyst. And that's my day-to-day job, basically. But I am very keen and interested in cybersecurity world, so I try connecting with people with similar mindsets to gain some insights from them, and also would like to contribute back to the society.
That's a very brief and nice introduction. Without any further delay, could you please tell us something about your topic, like how it is aligning with our theme, how it is aligning with our conference, and how it will help the people in this expanding era of AI?
Great. All right. Uh, that's a good point which you brought up, and I actually don't want to disclose a lot because I want the audience to attend. So, to answer your first question, how this is aligning to the theme, basically, this is a cybersecurity topic, and I see that everyone is presenting something or the other related to AI. My topic is a lateral shift from the day-to-day AI stuffs. So it's more about the cyber hygiene, the cyber security awareness, and if at all time permits, I might end up showing something which the audience might like. Basically, a live demonstration kind of a thing. Uh, we are going to learn a lot. When I talk about cybersecurity, I'm not going to disclose each and every topic or content which I'm going to talk about. But usually, I try to keep my content uh, uh, very much uh, intuitive, and I also would try to keep my content very much engaging to the audience because I want everyone to gain some insights from it and then implement it into their day-to-day schedule. So AI Fest is a great opportunity for me to connect with people. I can meet and greet people, talk about AI developments and cybersecurity, but the agenda for this meetup wouldn't be very much AI focused, to be honest.
Okay, as your topic says, unmasking the invisible. So, hope we will unmask something invisible via your talk. So, one more thing, currently everyone is talking about AI here and there. Everyone is from Gen Zs to millennials to boomers. Everyone is talking about AI. Even our PM is talking about AI. So, how do you see the world? Like we have seen the world having the very exhaustive technologies. Like many things came up and they are obsolete from the market. What I think, like, this AI is also a buzzword. We are doing the conference. I should not say this, but how do you see that? How this era will go, and what is the end, or it will expand more and more, and it will help us in the near future?
Okay, a lot of questions unwinded to single questions, but I'll try to do justice to the questions which you have asked. I see there are a lot of esteemed speakers invited to this conference who are going to talk about AI, the technology shift to AI, and how people are adopting. So here are my 2 cents to it. So how do I see AI? Definitely, I don't treat it as a challenge. I think that this is something which is there for to aid our efforts, be it in any domain you are into. You are into cybersecurity, you are into testing, so you can use AI as an aid. Some people have been tossing out things like this is a replacement. Here's my take on it, that AI is something which is developed by we humans. So I don't see that it will it doesn't it's there to mimic human intelligence, but it's not there to replace human intelligence. That's my thought about AI.
Okay. One more thing, like you are from cyber testing background. So, what all challenges means you people are ensuring the security of the data and everything, and how vulnerable would be the data in this AI era, and how much it is like how much data can be leaked from a day-to-day basis, and how it can be prevent means how you people are working to prevent the data of every human being in the AI era.
Great. That's a very good and thought-provoking question, I must say. So talking about AI and data privacy, so this is something which is not, I would not say it's a new concept, but it has picked up its pace in last 6 to 7 years, right? So and since it picked up its pace, so there comes a lot of challenges along with it, right? And people are always dealing in and out to tackle those challenges, and so are the regulatory bodies. So regulatory bodies are constantly working on refining their frameworks so that companies like medium sized, small sized, or large scale organization can basically adopt those frameworks where they think about data privacy. And it's, so that's one part of it. Like companies should think on those lines. The other part of it is basically a general awareness session, which even each and every user like us should have. Like end of the day, it's machine, right? End of the day, it's our data. So we have to be thoughtful about what we are sharing, right? These generative AI models, right? They learn from what we send it to them as an input, right? So they are basically uh, generating response, learning from us, and then there are techniques and tools implemented in place to modify a lot of inputs and then give you the rendered output. So you might have also seen, like 4 years back when we used to use chat gpt, and now what we use chat gpt, it has improvised a lot. Now how did it improvise? There's a lot of story cooked up there, but that's how, right? It's picking up data from you, learning, and then developing its own good set of data by which it can provide you valuable insights, right? So definitely regulators are working to help us along with this, but it also is our uh, it, I wouldn't say that it's our job, but it's now a necessity for us to think about the data we share on such a platform. And so it's always like, question yourself, why am I sharing this data, and how can I protect my data in this ecosystem, or where does this data land? If you do not know exactly where does your data land, so think twice before pushing any of your data online.
Okay, that's a very nice answer. I was expecting the same. Thank you for putting up the light on that. So, apart from this technical world, how do you spend your leisure time, weekends, or maybe the break from this 9 to 5 job? What all are your hobbies, and how it is helping you to keep the balance of personal and professional life?
Great. So I like to meet and greet people. So I like socializing a lot. The reason being is every new people you meet, right? There's a lot to learn from them. Maybe something which we might be bounded in our silos. When we meet new people, they give us a different mindset, right? So I like engaging with people. I like talking to people. Apart from that, I also like to go around cities across India. So whenever I have some time and I take a vacation or break from my day-to-day work, basically I'll plan a trip to a nearby city or a state, and then visit those places, see some historical uh, evidence if that's present, and learn from that. So I think that's the best way, right? So our vision senses are the best way to capture movements, right? So that's how I do in my free time. But yeah, pretty much about me.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you so much, Ankit, for your time, and thank you so much for this particular interview. It was really nice talking to you. I wish you all the very best for your presentation on 22nd March at Nagarro Gurgaon Hive. And we are doing this conference in association with Nagarro. And thank you so much on behalf of Agile Testing Alliance and AI Test First organizing team.
Thank you very much, Abhay, and thank you, ATA, for giving me the opportunity.